Oh, he's still on.
It's going up this way.
Wow, that's a small bluegill ever.
Oh, I've caught some smaller bluegill than that. But I was trying to catch small bluegill. Oh. Oh. I don't know. See, these are bluegill, but they got some marking on them. This guy demolished it. He almost got all three of the trebles in his mouth. Oh!
Oh!
Get that!
Oh. Oh, that's amazing.
I saw him demolish it.
Oh.
Here, Daniel, you want to take the motor over?
Nice fish.
I saw him hit it. He hit it and went straight down. I also got that on video. That'd probably help. Yeah. Jeff knew where they were. You think? Alright, show him off to the camera. Should I put him in the live well? Huh?
At the end of the day, close.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's 15. He's 15. Oh boy.
Oh, thank you.
It's a big hybrid sunfish. I think it's a hybrid green sunfish bluegill hybrid. Bam. See, Daniel, look at him. I'm trying.
Wisconsin, that's the one that we fish. 11 of our 12 tournaments.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure when you grab the net, you grab it so it scoops him.
Wow, he ate that. Nice. Yeah, that's a long one. Cool.
I don't think he's 15.
I don't think so.
Look at his tail.
But you know, it's interesting how heavy they are.
Mm-hmm.
They're very healthy.
Oh yeah, they're very
fat
dense.
fish.
I got one. No, don't chase him. Oh!
Got it. And it came. Now you have a perfect mistake.
Alright, good job, Jakub.
For a second, it looked like it disappeared because the net was under the water.
Yeah.
You couldn't see the back of it.
I thought you lost. I thought it fell off.
Jeff, you want to take a picture?
Okay. It would still startle me.
Oh, I would think anyone would get startled if something fell out of the tree and started moving. Have you seen... Oh, no. Oh, have you seen Bill dance? Oh! Oh!
Awesome.
What was Yeah, that cover.
Oh, he went after the third time?
There's two! There's more than one!
Big fish.
There's another one behind him. Daniel.
Okay, here you go. Oh, that's a. Oh.
Alright. Jakub, you still got to work on that net with getting the... There's more than one there. There's another bass, at least. Because I think, because that's why they were hitting it so hard, because he didn't want the other ones to eat it.
Yeah, they were being competitive.
Yeah.
I've never seen largemouth do that. I've seen smallmouth.
I know, I've had that happen in Minocqua. There'll be packs of like 3 largemouth, and they're like 14 inches. All of them are like 14 inches, and you'll come up to them, and they'll you can catch like all 3 of them. Like if you have 3 people in the boat, you have a chance of catching all 3 of them right away. This one's definitely 15.
I think so. Might as well plumb on.
Put this down here. Oh yeah, it's over 16. Yeah.